Hello, with history hikers. I'm Dries.
And I'm Jente. You might have heard of Oud-Koningsburg, but have you heard of Petit Koningsburg, also known as Oudenburg?
The ruin is located not even 200 meters away from its more illustrious neighbor. From its position on the western outcrop of the hill, it monitored the valley below. We approach the ruin from the east, snaking our way through the remains of an outer courtyard until we are stopped in our tracks by a large moat and a shield wall.
The castle dates to the 13th century. The shield wall protecting the seigneurial dwelling is made up of embossed stones, which differs from the rest of the castle. What intrigues us are the huge boulders left in the wall. In other castles, these would have been smoothed out to better integrate into the defenses, but at Oudenburg it seems they were left rugged deliberately, perhaps to create an aggressive appearance. The large windows indicate at least some form of luxury.
The castle is fenced off at its eastern end, denying us access to the interior. This used to be the original entrance and the location of the keep, now completely destroyed.
Not much is known of its history. It is believed that it was initially constructed as a siege castle against Oud-Koningsburg and was later expanded into a fully fledged fortress. The name Oudenburg was not its original name. It is in fact a contraction of the expression Der Oudenburg, which means the abandoned castle. The name pops up in a document from 1417. Archaeological research confirmed that the castle was deserted around that time. While less impressive than its famous neighbor, we felt like we had to at least give it a mention before we visit Oud-Koningsburg in the next video. See you then!
Time for the arbitrary subjective castle score. I'm gonna say a 5.5. Sad we can't enter. What do you think?
Same reasons, but a 5.
Thank you so much for watching. This was Oud-Koningsburg's little brother. Leave your score in the comments.
And like, comment, subscribe and all the good YouTube stuff if you want to see more of these kind of castles.
We'll see you next time. Bye.
Bye!